Deposit and withdraw crypto seamlessly on BingX. You can easily transfer your assets to and from other trading platforms or wallets using a wide range of blockchain networks. What's more, you can even deposit crypto directly to your fund or futures account and start trading immediately. To deposit crypto, go to Assets, tap Deposit, and select cryptocurrency. Select a coin. Let's use USDT as an example. Select the deposit network. Ensure the network is supported by the platform you're withdrawing from. For example, if BEP20 is supported, then you can choose BEP20 here. Tap View More to choose your receiving account. You can deposit directly to your fund or futures account. Then tap Share and Save Address. Proceed with the transfer on the withdrawal platform. To withdraw crypto, go to Assets, tap Withdraw, and select a coin. Select a method. To send crypto outside BingX, choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Enter the withdrawal address, select the network, and enter the amount. Confirm the arrival amount and fee. Then tap Withdraw. To send crypto to another BingX user, choose Internal Transfer. Select the transfer method. Choose from email, phone, or UID. Enter the recipient's details. Then key in the amount and tap Withdraw. Remember, internal transfers are free of charge. Keep these tips in mind for smoother deposits and withdrawals. Double-check deposit and withdrawal details. Choosing the wrong currency, network, or address will result in permanent loss of assets. Deposits that are less than the minimum deposit amount will not be credited. Transaction speed depends on the network. We will notify you once the transaction is confirmed. Withdrawals may require a manual review if risks are detected. Now you're ready to transfer your crypto with confidence.